Hi, I'm Dr. Wix-Harris. I'm a cosmetic physician at Reflection Center in Martinsville, New Jersey. And today I'm going to show you one of my favorite treatments that I do for anti-aging. And it's a combination of ultrasound with a biostimulatory filler. First thing we're going to do is, of course, take off the makeup. Next, we're going to use some numbing cream. And I'm going to apply that everywhere I'm going to do the procedure. Here you can see this is the ultrasound image. It can show you where the level of the muscle is. In order for ultrasound to work, you have to have ultrasound gel. So you're going to apply it in the area where you're going to treat. And it feels like tiny little bee stings. So this one is a skin treatment. The other one was the muscle treatment. I'm going to start with the radius, and then we will mix it with a little bit of lidocaine. You always look for where the gel is because you do not want to add to that. You have to be careful because there's a big artery right here. As you can see, this is after the Ulthera, the soft wave, and the radius. I'm a little swollen, a little red, but it's really not terrible. I'm lucky I didn't get any bruising. Sometimes that can happen with the radius, very rarely with the Ulthera or the soft wave.